here's the Holtzman Survival bushcrafting knife. Pretty cool knife. It's got it's made out of 1095 high carbon steel. It is a very strong, heavy duty, hard knife. It has a nice KYDEX plastic sheath. Comes along with a ferrocerium rod. This is a striker and a ferrocerium rod itself. You can see I've used it, scraped off a little bit of the black plastic or the black covering. Alright, so that fits nicely there. It does have a bungee lacing there to keep it in the holder, and the striker is nice. It's got it seems to be pretty high carbon steel, but it seems to work pretty well. You can check out these photos of it. Okay. Fits in there nice, locks nice and tight in there. That's the holster. On the back you do have a quick release or adjustable belt loop thing, and you can adjust your size to your belt, wherever you want it. You can also rotate this around and get it to set up where you want it, for the most part, within reason. Alright, so that's the holster. Now looking at the knife. Okay, so balance point on the knife is back a little ways. Most people either like it there or further forward for chopping and whatever. But I kind of like the feel of it. It fits well in my hand. I kind of like how it kind of rests back into my hand as I'm holding it. The serrations at the top, I can't remember what those are called right now, but you'll let me know in the comments, are really nice. They fit well on the thumb and allow for good clean cuts. Let me grab a stick here and I'll show you a little bit of cutting here. Alright, so here's the stick. See some cutting here. Okay. Cuts pretty easy, pretty quick. Can't see any damage to the blade. The blade is very sharp out of the box. Comes pre-oiled, and you'll want to make sure you keep, every time it gets wet or whatever, whenever you're done camping, whatever, make sure you hit it up with some WD-40 to keep it nice and clean. So, it does have a nice sharp edge to it, and you can take off quite a bit of wood at the time, or you can go pretty nice and smooth and make a nice little fuzz stick if you wanted. Whatever your bushcrafting needs require, I should say.